you doing, guys? So this is a serious update to the Volvo. We go right now the LKQ and pick it up the C70 new engine. So we do the lot of ways. Was the plan of the other engine with an S40, and we bought it also one of the parts car, but the parts car finally was a very good condition, so they have just a computer issue, so we put down the dealer and the dealer fixed the computer, because if you're working on Volvos, you can do anything if you understand the Volvos, but the computer, it's a very hard issue. Only dealer. So whatever, grab the tools, go to the junkyard, take it out the other engine and fix it. Make the cars healthy, useful, and fast. Let's go get it. So here she is. We are here at KQ. This is looking nice. So we need that one's. Yeah, and this engine is probably good. Yesterday we just check it's turning over, so this is good. I hope everything's working fine. We don't need a computer. Let's go get it. There you go, guys. The engine is already out. Awesome. We just realized, the car was a very good maintenance. Does someone change the oil filter housing? We have a brand new oil filter in it. We just check it, and the timing is looking freaking good. But when we go back to the shop, I will check it. So the car was a very good maintenance. Was replaced the CV axis, so we just saved one too. And the turbo is good, spinning, no click, no nothing, no loose. See, oil cooler, awesome. We are so freaking lucky. I'm so freaking lucky with this engine. Here we are, the new engine in a shop. So start doing something nice. Honey, coming to you, the new engine. Awesome. Okay guys. That's it today. I check on the new engine. I check the timing. We are so lucky because I have a brand new timing, and we find that the maintenance record on the car was very well, the maintenance. So right now I just want to take off the auto torque converter. If I take it out, I will fill up with automatic transmission oil, put it in a transmission, and I want to install the transmission also, but not today because it's coming. I'm coming very busy as we have a lot of project, so I stop today. That's it, and see you guys tomorrow. Okay, don't forget guys, SmokeBrake, thecar.com. we make the cars healthy, useful, and fast. Peace. Smoke it. Smoke.